Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Teacher Jay from Kangaroo Study. In today's video, we'll be talking about the page number problem. It is a question that is frequently tested in P4 SASMO exams. So without further ado, let's take a look at the question here. An encyclopedia consists of 624 pages. How many times does the digit 5 appear in the page numbering of the encyclopedia? How do we find out? You see, in this question, the true difficulty is that there are 624 pages. If you are going to list down the number of digit 5 within these 624 pages, there will be a lot. So that is very time consuming. Then how about let's first observe some smaller number of pages. For example, let's first observe the starting 10 pages from 0 all the way to 9. From page 0 to page 9, how many digit 5 are there? It's only one. Page 5 has a digit 5. Then the next group of 10 should be from 10 all the way to 19. How many 5 are there? Again, 1. Next, from 20 to 29. How many 5 are there? Again, 1. Next, starting from 30 to 39. How many 5 are there? 35 has a digit 5, so again 1. Now from 40 to 49, again 45 has one digit 5, so we have 1. The next group should be from 50 all the way to 59. This time, do we still have one digit 5 here? You see, in this 10 digit, there are some number 5 here. So this time, that does not mean it only have one digit 5. Now, how do we find out the total number of digit 5 here? We can list down starting from 50 to 59. Now, from 50, you have 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, and 59. Now, you see that except for this ones, this 5 here, all of the 10th digit have a 5. In total, how many numbers are there in total? There are 10 numbers. So you need to add an extra 10 for the numbers that have a 5 in the 10th digit. Alright, now since we already reached 59, how about let's cover all the way until the first 100 pages. Now let's take a look. After 59 should be from 60 all the way to 69. Again, how many 5 are there? 65 has a digit 5, so we have digit 1 here. The next group 10 is from 70 to 79. Again, we have 1 digit 5. The next group should be from 80 to 89. Again, we have 1. The next group should be from 90 to 99. Again, we have 1. So see, from 0 all the way to 99, we have this number of digit 5. Now let me group them together. Starting from 0 all the way to 99, we'll have 1. You see, in each row we have 1 digit 5, right? So in total there are 10 rows. So you have 1 times 10. And then we need to add an extra 10 over here. So you get 20. So from 0 all the way to 99, this is the number of digit 5 here. Now, since we already reached 99, we need to reach in the end 624 pages. Here, we already find out in the group of the first 100 pages, there are 20 number of digit 5. Then next, how about again, we group numbers and then we try to find out in the group how many digit 5 are there. But this time, how many numbers do you want to put in the group? Of course, we can put 10 numbers in a group as we see here. But to reach 624, if you put 10 numbers in a group and check, they'll be very time consuming also. So how about this time, we make our group larger into group of 100 page numbers. So the next group of 100 pages should be from 100 all the way to 199. This time, how many digit 5 are there? Now let's compare it with the first group here from 0 to 99. Between this group and 100 to 199, what is the difference in terms of the digit? There is an extra 1 in front of each 100 digits, right? But except for that, nothing changed. But does this digit 1 here, does this affect our number of digit 5? It does not. So that means our digit 5 remains unchanged, similar to the previous group, which is again 20. Now, what is the next number of 100 number? That is starting from 200 all the way to 299. This time, how many digit 5 are there? Again, there are 20 digit 5. The next group of 100 should be starting from 300 all the way to 399. This time, again, there are 20 digit 5. The next group should be from 400 all the way to 499. Again, it is 20. The next one should be from 500 all the way to 599. This time, does it still have 220? No, because this time, in each 100 digit, we have a 5 here. Now, in total, how many numbers are there from 500 to 599? There are 100 numbers. Each number has a 5 in front. So we need to add an extra 100 for the 5 in the 100 digits. Then moving on, we have from 600 all the way to 624. This time, how many digit 5 are there? The first digit 5 appears in 605. The next one appears in 615. So there are in total 2 digit 5. So the total number of digit 5 should be the sum of these numbers. The number of digit 5 should be 20. Now let's observe how many 20 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 20. So 20 times 6 plus 100 and plus an extra 2. And the answer should give us 222 number of digit 5. And that is the answer to this question. Now, let's do a quick summary about this question. In this question, we are given the total number of pages. We are trying to find out the number of a certain digit, digit 5, that appears in these 624 pages. So what have we done here? We try to group the numbers and try to observe inside each group how many digit 5 are there. So in summary, if you are given the page numbers, to find out the certain digits, you do the grouping first. And that's all about this question. If you understand this, now take a look at a very similar question over here. If you have finished this question and want to check out the answer or discuss with us, feel free to scan this QR code and join our WhatsApp group. And if you like this video and want to check out more interesting contents, make sure to click the button below and subscribe to our channel. With that, it's time to say goodbye. I'm Teacher Jay, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!